In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located under the vehicle on top of the exhaust. To remove the wheel, we're going to use a 19mm socket. Now simply remove the wheel. And we'll do the same on the other side. With the front wheels off the vehicle, we can more easily access the clips holding the splash shield to the vehicle. I'm going to use a pair of clip pliers, but you can use a flathead. With the clips removed from both sides of the vehicle, we can move on to the 12mm bolts on the underside. And we have one more clip on the front side of the fender liner. And we'll do the same on the other side. Pushing from the front of the car to the back, we can remove the splash shield from the bumper. The back portion of the splash shield will be held up by these two little clips. Pop those off and it releases. In order to make it easier to undo the connector for the Upstream O2 sensor, we're going to undo the clip holding the line to this bracket. There's two tabs on the back side. You can push them out one at a time. If you can get a set of needle nose pliers onto it, you can push both of them out at the same time. To undo the connector, press in on the button. It helps to push in on the connector first. That helps release the clip. To remove the Upstream O2 sensor, we're going to use an O2 sensor socket. These have a split in them, allowing them to go around the line. A 7/8 will fit as well. If you hold the wire at one end and give it a twist to the left, that'll help it not get tangled up as you spin the rest out. Make sure your mating surface and threads are clean. If you need to, you can use a wire brush, or if you have it, a thread chaser. Our O2 sensors come with anti-seize on the threads. You want to make sure that there's no anti-seize on the actual sensing portion. This is good. We'll install it. Twist the connector in the direction of installation. That'll help you to not get caught up or snagged while you're installing your O2 sensor. And we'll snug that up. We'll use our O2 sensor socket, slip that on. We're going to tighten this to the best of our ability. Once you feel the crush washer seat, you're all good. We'll plug the connector back in. Make sure you hear the click. Now we'll use a couple of cable ties to secure the wires. Run one cable tie around your wires and your next one to the bracket. Loop that one through the other, and that'll make it so that the wires don't rub on the bracket. We're going to use a set of side cutters, cut off the excess. Before reinstalling the splash shield, make sure you start the engine and there's no check engine light on. If there is, make sure that everything is connected correctly. To reinstall our engine splash shield, we're going to hang it by the hooks on the back. We can leave it hanging there and install our clips on the front. You'll have to flex the splash shield just a little bit to get it to form up into the front of the bumper. Now we'll install our clips. Line the hole in the fender liner up with the hole in the splash shield. You want the top part of your clip to be halfway out so that it will go in, and push in on the clip. Do the same on the other side. We'll reinstall the bolts holding the splash shield in. The long ones go in the front and the short ones go in the back. We'll tighten these up with our 12 mil. To reinstall the wheel, line up the lug studs. If you support the bottom of the wheel, and thread one lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. Now, snug down the lug nuts. Don't over tighten them because you're going to want to be able to torque them after. Now we're going to torque the lugs to 89 foot-pounds. You want to torque in a star pattern, keeping all of the lugs even as you bring them down. And that's how you replace the Upstream O2 sensor on a Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.